Myself, S. Bhuneshwari. My project topic is development of a web-based energy audit system for buildings. Here I created online application software for smart sustainable building. As a smart sustainable building, in the sense it gives equal importance to design, analysis and an energy efficiency. The main objective of this project is building consumes large amount of energy. As by current scenario, 35% of electricity is spent only for buildings. In order to reduce energy consumption, here I developed the interactive system which gets the necessary inputs and provides the information regarding necessary consumption buildings, and it also provides measure to minimize the energy consumption through an audit system. An audit system in the sense it is nothing but the serve and analysis of the various parameters like construction material, and finally we are generating report in the form of chart. Then talking about system architecture. In the system, it works by getting input from the knowledge capture and evaluating. Finally, it performs the analysis and storing into the database in the form of chart. Then talking about the system specification. Here I used frontend is PHP and backend is MySQL. Then talking about the existing system. Here I have various software like Energy Plus and Ecotech. While talking about Energy Plus, it is nothing but a old building energy simulation program. So engineers, architects and researchers used to model energy and water use in building, and it is an integrated one. And the primary and secondary systems are likely coupled. Then talking about the Ecotech is also one of the environment analysis tools which allows the designer to simulate building performance right from the earliest stages of conceptual design, and it provides the essential analysis feedback from even the simplest sketch model. Then talking about the issues in existing system. The issues in the existing system, the limitation of the Energy Plus in the main restriction of that the missing graphical user interface, it is not supported by Windows 7. Then talking about the issues in the existing system, the weakness of the Ecotech is it can perform various types of analysis, but the user need to aware of the different modeling, and it is also developing by low level language C++. Then talking about the proposed system. Here the energy simulation software are available for all the modeling of thermal, lighting, ventilation and other energy consuming process that take place within a building. It takes the various parameters like occupant activities, schedules, heating, ventilation and lighting and system various parameters. Then talking about the advantages of proposed system. The whole energy consumption is reduced about 30%, and this system has the capability to identify, evaluate and analyze from the different perspectives. Then talking about the models. Here two models exist. First one, energy analyzer. Here it consider various aspects of the building and it understands the building's behavior and it produces the efficient output. Second one is report generator. It analyzes output is present as report in a form of chart, so it clearly depicts the user about which material can be used, and it's the energy efficient one. Then talking about the DFD diagram for energy analyzer. It performs analysis in terms of energy consumption and cost, and finally it energy analysis. Finally it is stored into the database. Then talking about the DFD diagram for report generation. It have the inputs and outputs are stored in the system. The system will send it to the report process. Then talking about the use case diagram. The user gives the input to the knowledge capture and the energy calculation. Both can be evaluated and send it to the energy analysis. The energy analysis will analyze all the parameters and suggestion it to the report. The report will give the clear view to the user. Then talking about the class diagram. It contains user, knowledge capture, energy calculation, analysis and report. The user get the attributes or ID and name, and the processing operation is building details. Then knowledge capture get the user inputs and requirements, and the processing operation is capturing input. Then the energy calculation get the lighting and pumping inputs, and processing operation is evaluation. Then the energy analysis get the calculation output, and the processing operation is analysis. Then report get to the suggestion input, and the processing operation is generation. Finally it will send it to the user. Then talking about the activity diagram. The user gives the input to the knowledge capture and the energy calculation. Both will evaluate and send it to the analysis. The analysis part suggests to the report. Then talking about the sequence diagram, it contains user knowledge capture, energy calculation, energy analysis and report. The user gives the building details to the knowledge capture. The knowledge capture gets all the input to the send into the energy calculation. The energy calculation calculate all the parameters and send it to the energy analysis. The energy analysis analyze all the parameters like lighting and pumping and send it to the suggest to the report to the report. The report finally send it to the user to the report generation. This is the home page of energy analysis. In this home page contains overview of the project and gallery. This is the main page of analysis page. In this page contain introduction and various types of analysis like lighting, pumping, HVAC, acoustic, electrical. Then talking about the lighting analysis, in this page contain introduction about the lighting analysis. In this lighting analysis involves analysis of various bulbs in terms of lifespan, luminous, efficiency and cost and energy efficiency. The resulting analysis gives a detailed report which ensure energy efficiency. Here we select the light type. Here I selected LED light bulbs. In this light bulbs gives the data, get the data from the database and show the subtypes of lights. Then select the type, light types, sublight types and gives the output for the luminous, lifespan, energy consumption, cost amount for selected light. Finally, it will show the report like chart page. In this page contain LED lights, luminous, lifespan, energy consumption, cost amount. Then talking about the conclusion. An integrated intelligent system that can facilitate in the design of smart sustainable building by leveraging the expertise of all stakeholders. The energy audit through efficient reports represent graphically will be of immense use to all involved in the construction of energy efficient buildings. Thank you.